This Valkenburgh and Wilkinson Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Lauren Catos. Neighborhood pool and clubhouse, sidewalks, treed lots, and close proximity to Research Park. 5-bedroom home with study, main level primary suite, and fantastic floor plan. Walk-in closets throughout the home. 3-car garage. Covered patio opens to flat backyard. Playroom with wet bar and refreshment refrigerator. Extraordinary kitchen with hearthroom, fireplace, eat-in area, and breakfast room. Granite topped center island plus desk area. Garage hall with pantry, laundry with door to driveway, and powder room. Roof replaced 2021. Upstairs HVAC 2012. Main level HVAC new in 2018. Bond with Cooks for more information.